Okay, first off, I want to say hello, John. If you got the time to sit down and watch this with me today briefly, thank you for the time. My name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company and get you some exposure on Google or more than you already have. There's a couple key factors into that: content, backlinks, and citations. Now understand every time that you type something in here, it's considered a keyword and keyword is part of the content on your website. Backlinks are other websites linking to yours, like an endorsement, and Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. And then, of course, you have citations, name, address, phone number, and those are referring domains that come from categories or citations like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, and Google uses this and combines it to create a rank structure. You have the map packs. This is where you get seen on the maps. Everything underneath that, it becomes an organic search. This is an advertisement. Yelp, Find a Mechanic is an advertisement. We do have swiftgarage.com. So this is where popular and ranking websites get a lot of exposure on the first page of Google. Let's be honest, most people don't scroll past the first page of Google. So I searched auto repair Johns Island, and this is your website, John's Auto Clinic. I did not see you on the first page of Google, and what I have is I have a tool. It's called Ahrefs, and when I plug in your information, I can see what you have. This is pretty crazy. You have no backlinks, no referring domains, no keywords, and no traffic. But you have a strong uh, domain rating. Yeah, I was losing my words there. I'm imagining that this website has been around a very, 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 very long time. So it's super strong. So Google sees it. Um, that being said, your competitor, Auto Repair, I have him pulled up here, or Swift's Garage. When I plug him in, he has 142 backlinks or other websites referring back to him. He has referring domains, citations, Yelp, Angie, phone book, and he has keywords that generate a lot of traffic. So with that being said, that is when the content and the backlinks and the citations, when those three things come together, Google recognizes that as trust and you have a history, um, and it moves you up the ranks and it'll add you to the lower half of the search part right here to where the organic structure comes in. So if you were looking to get yourself more exposed, I do see you right here on the maps. If you were looking to get a little more exposure down the bottom half with your website, have a website built, have some backlinks and some citations put in there with some keywords, it will generate more exposure. And more exposure means more customers. And more customers mean more revenue. So I just want to give you a quick insight to that. This is amazing, by the way. I'm just amazing. But it's hindering you from getting on the first page. So if you had some backlinks and some citations and did some keywords and had some content done for your website, it would get you some more exposure, get you some more clients, get you some more volume, help you out. Um, and with that being said, I wanted to thank you for your time. I hope you might have found some value or some insight to it. Um, a well-built website is definitely something necessary to get yourself exposure and bring yourself in some more clients and help out with things like that. I appreciate your time. I hope you found this useful. And if there's anything I can do for you, if you're interested or if you want to look out and maybe check out some realistic goals for getting a website built, I'd be more than glad to help you. I appreciate your time. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.